Hello health champs, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions worldwide, the top 10 foods that cause dementia. Let's understand the mechanisms behind dementia and how certain foods can influence its progression. Dementia is a condition that progresses rapidly with age. At 60 to 65 years old, 1.33% of people have dementia. Between 65 and 70, we have about 2.2%. Between 70 and 75, it rises to 3.8%. Between 75 and 80, goes up to 6.5%. This rises to 20% by age 90, and over 40% after 90. Understanding the causes and food influences is key to slowing this progression. Our brain, though only 2% of our body weight, uses over 20% of our energy. It requires energy from carbohydrates and ketones, oxygen, to oxidize. And most of this energy is produced in our cells' mitochondria. They make the vast majority of all your energy. Stimulation is vital for the brain, just like muscles. Without regular mental activity, the brain starts to degenerate. This lack of stimulation contributes significantly to dementia. Several factors can damage the brain, speeding up degeneration. Genetics play a role, but epigenetics, how genes are expressed, is crucial. Disuse and lack of exercise are harmful, highlighting the importance of physical activity. We need to understand that exercise is not about losing weight or staying fit or looking good. It's about stimulating your brain. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are major biochemical drivers of brain degeneration. Mitochondria produce energy, but also create oxidative stress. Clean burning of fuel is essential to reduce this stress. Environmental toxins, preservatives, and artificial colors contribute to brain damage. Food allergies cause inflammatory reactions, adding to the inflammation burden. An imbalance of gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, leads to inflammation and damage to the gut lining. This results in leaky gut, increasing food allergies and inflammation. Now let's dive into the top 10 foods that cause dementia. Food number 10, and these are in no particular order. 10. Excess alcohol. Excess alcohol consumption causes premature dementia. It's a neurotoxin that damages brain cells and contributes to leaky gut, fatty liver, and insulin resistance. Moderate consumption is key. 9. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbs, including added sugars and processed grains, raise blood sugar and cause fatty liver. Excess glucose and insulin resistance lead to brain starvation, often referred to as type 3 diabetes. If you're enjoying this video so far, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel and keep learning. Now let's continue. 8. Sugar. Sugar is the leading cause of insulin resistance, preventing glucose from fueling the brain. It's addictive, causes dysbiosis, and contributes to leaky gut. Natural sugars from fruits should be consumed in moderation. 7. Fish and mercury. Fish can be beneficial or harmful. Wild-caught fish are rich in omega-3s, but may contain mercury and neurotoxin. Avoid large predatory fish, like swordfish and tuna. Opt for smaller fish, like sardines and mackerel. Farmed fish, if responsibly raised, can be good. However, many are raised in poor conditions with low-quality feed, hormones, and antibiotics. Choose wild-caught or responsibly farmed fish. 6. The dirty dozen. The dirty dozen refers to plants most heavily treated with pesticides. These include strawberries, nectarines, blueberries, apples, grapes, peaches, cherries, pears, and plums. You want to check for what's going on in your region, because it's going to differ between different countries, different continents, as there are different farming practices, and also they change over time. These items can vary from year to year. Among the vegetables, we have bell pepper, hot peppers, green beans, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and celery. These are the foods that you want to pay extra attention to, and either you get them organic. Pesticides are toxic to the brain, so opt for organic options when possible. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose are neurotoxins. They disrupt gut bacteria, causing inflammation and cravings. Natural alternatives like stevia and monk fruit are better in moderation. 4. Bad fats. The bad fats are damaged fats. They realized how bad they are, so now they're moving away from trans fats. But instead, they tell us to start consuming vegetable oils, and these are not vegetable oils at all. They're seed oils, grain oils, and legume oils. The problem with these is that they have too much omega-6. A little bit of omega-6 is okay. But today, we're getting, like, 20 times more omega-6s than we should have. And most of that is coming from these so-called vegetable oils. An even bigger problem is that they're processed so harshly. They have to use high temperature, high pressure, and chemicals to get the fat and oil out of these sources, and in doing that, they damage the oils and oxidize them. So now, we have another source of excess oxidation and free radicals. Another source of bad fats is fried foods. When you use vegetable oils, these are already damaged, they're already high in omega-6s. And now when you fry things and reuse that oil over and over, you're just increasing the damage and oxidation over and over. Trans fats and processed vegetable oils are harmful. They are high in omega-6s and cause inflammation. Opt for healthy fats like those from avocados and nuts. 3. Lectins and nightshades. Lectins are found in nightshades and grains like eggplant, bell pepper, tomato, and potato. There are many more, but these are probably the ones that people consume the most. Grains like rye, barley, rice, and the biggest grain to stay away from is modern wheat because it is processed, hybridized in so many different ways that can increase food sensitivities. If you have a healthy gut, these may not be an issue. However, those with leaky guts should avoid them. The gut-brain axis is crucial. A leaky gut can lead to a leaky brain, causing inflammation and accelerating dementia. Maintaining gut health is essential for brain health. 2. Excess caffeine. Caffeine can improve focus in moderation. However, excessive intake drives stress hormones, disrupting sleep and circadian rhythms. Limit caffeine to avoid these effects. 1. Food additives. Artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives are harmful. They make food unappealing to other organisms, indicating their toxicity. Opt for whole, natural foods whenever possible. By understanding these foods and their effects, we can make healthier choices and protect our brains. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-saving content. Thanks for watching, and take care of your brain health.